know we've all been there, or if you haven't been there, it's probably gonna happen to you. But if you have been there, I've brought a solution for you to know how to turn your weave from this to this. And yes, this is the same hair that I was showing you guys from the beginning. I've had this for a long time. I washed it and it became very tangled, so I decided to revamp it. In this video, I'm going to show you how I revamped it and how I laid the baby edges, as you guys can see here, and how I created a new hairline for it. So if you're interested in seeing this video, please keep on watching. Now, for a hair like this, the last thing you want to do is take a brush and start trying to brush it out. It's going to be a big mess, a big disaster. Trust me, it's so impossible. So just throw that brush away and let me show you what you need to do. For this hair, you need a blow dryer, a heat protectant. It could be in oil form, it could be in liquid form, but this has got to be, and it comes in like a spray bottle, which works better for me. You also need a small precise comb like this, something to get into all those corners and really help you to detangle. What I'm doing now is I'm going in with my to-be spray, and I just spray that onto the hair, and with my blow dryer I'm going ahead to blow dry section by section while combing through that hair from tip to root. But I'm going in slowly and gently, as you guys can see from this video. I didn't speed it up, and I'm also going like little bit by little bit. I'm not like going all at once. I should have shown you guys from the beginning, but trust me, it was really difficult to get it to this point, so I decided to just do that off camera. But you can see what I am doing in the video. I'm just going little by little, section by section, and combing from outside to inside, from tip to root, and just really detangling the hair. While I'm at it, my mic arrived, so let me switch into my mic. So yes, my mic is here. I'm feeling awesome. The sound is different. Please, yes, the sound is different. That means you need to invest in a good mic. If you're a creator, at least if you're a YouTuber, you need to invest in a good mic. This curler is just an additional tool for the hair to lay flat. Remember, I need to create a new hairline for this hair, and so I needed the hair to be as flat as possible first before I will go ahead and start creating a new hairline. If you have the hot comb, go ahead and use the hot comb, but I don't have it at this moment. That is why I'm using the curler to really get it to lay. I'm brushing the hair through, and I'm just using the curler to chase down the comb for it to lay as flat as possible. Once I am done with that, I'm going ahead to create a new baby hair for this hair, and this time I think I'm gonna go bulky in my baby hair pattern, because I usually just leave it to look natural because I was working in 9 to 5, but now I don't work in 9 to 5 anymore. I want to live a baby girl lifestyle, and I really just want to go all out with everything. I'm cutting like a C part in that hair in front, and I'm going ahead to use my buttery spray also to spray it down. I'm also going to use this to hold it down and get all the flyaways. And I'm just going to use the curler again to apply a little bit more heat to help that to lay as flat as possible. Also, I'm going to do the same method for the baby hair, so it just lays flat, flat, and flat. Speeded that up for you guys to see, but in reality, this took me a lot of time to get the hair to lay flat. So if you want to do this for yourself, all you have to do is make sure that you continue to lay your hair. Just keep on applying heat and keep on brushing until it is as flat as you want. On the other side, for the baby hair, I'm going ahead to just do the same thing and continue to lay my hair as flat as possible. And here is what our baby edges looks like. I'm going ahead to part a new teddy line. I don't know if you guys call that teddy, but I call it teddy. We used to call it teddy back in Nigeria, but I don't know what people call it generally. But you see that little part, the sideburn, yes, the sideburn. Yes, people call it the sideburn. So I went ahead to apply to create a new sideburn for myself because it looks pretty on people and I want that. So here is where we're at. This is the final product. This is what the hair looks like after. I feel like the most interesting part for me is the baby hair and the sideburn. They just look perfect. They look brand new again, and this is why I wanted to show it to you guys. It just kind of makes the hair look new all over again, and I'm so in love with the final product. I am going ahead to lay that head down now, and I'm going to show you guys how it looks on me once I am done. So make sure to stay around and see the final result. While we're here, why don't you just go ahead and click that subscribe button and turn on the post notification so you would not miss out in any of my upcoming videos. So this is where we're at. I decided to put the head to side parting because obviously it looks better on me. And what I'm doing right now is just like I'm taking the hot comb and I'm using that to press down every fly away while using the biggie product to help it to really stay put as I want it to. I'm also taking this milkshake vegan cream to add some moisture into the hair. This is what I do religiously actually. Most of the days you can to curl the finer to help the curls to define a little bit. I'm going to brush out the hair to detangle it and I'm just going to crunch it up for the curl to look alive a little. I'm not using any sort of heat or any sort of curler like a heat curler to curl this hair. I'm just leaving it to flow. I'm just trying to achieve the body wave look. And here is our final result. And that would bring us to the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video to the end. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification so you don't miss out the next video.